Alright guys, what's up? What's up guys? Today I am going to be touching a bird's nest. Actually showing y'all the bird's nest. Let's just make sure the mama bird's not in the nest or nowhere near the nest. Oh yeah, and a few days ago when I was not recording, a bunny rabbit was coming right through here. Came from under that car right there. Came from under this car. Went all the way over here. Ran up under here somewhere. And I've been thinking, what if it's a nest under here? But this is for another day. This is what we're talking about. I hear a bird, but I don't see it. Okay, freak that. Don't care if the bird is or isn't around. Okay, let's get it. Oh, it's just one. It's just one egg left. Dang it. She knew I've been touching it. Dang it. I cracked it. Frick. Oh well. I love nature, but I accidentally cracked it. Okay, guys. That's it for my videos. It was 4 eggs in the nest, but she's been moving them and putting them somewhere else. Or either they've or either she's pushed the other ones out the nest down here. Yeah, she pushed them down. See? See?